I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast illegal step by step. I cannot help with illegal or unethical methods, but I will show legal, practical alternatives to study faster. Start by clarifying goals, breaking tasks into focused intervals, and using active recall with flashcards. Combine spaced repetition, short breaks, and consistent review to boost memory and speed without cheating or risking consequences. I want to keep this warm and practical, so try short, intense study bursts and immediate self-testing to build recall and speed. Organize material by priority, create quick summary cards, and explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. Track progress and adapt intervals to your attention span. These legal approaches build durable learning and let you study faster without compromising integrity or causing long-term problems. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun little treat while you study. It keeps your ride smelling fresh between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use simple tools that fit your style. Timers for focused sessions, apps for spaced repetition, and paper or digital flashcards for active recall. Summarize material immediately after study and teach it to an imaginary student to check comprehension. Keep study sessions consistent, minimize distractions, and swap subjects to prevent fatigue. These small habits compound quickly and help you learn efficiently while staying honest and effective with your time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.